Shaniqua, look at the girl's pants.
Oh my gosh, Shaniqua, why would someone even do that to us? Why would they come out in public like that?
They so don't go with her
What
socks.
is wrong with them? What is that? Like, it clashes. And that bright red hair, like, you look like you have a freaking strawberry for a head. What is wrong with you? And look at that girl over there with the platform shoes. Okay, if you're short, just embrace it. Don't pretend to be what you're not.
Yeah, who wears platforms anymore? That's so 80s.
I know, that's just wrong.
And look at those dorks in spandex.
And the capes, like, what is that? You can't just impersonate the two coolest people on the planet.
I agree.
I know.
You can't even live up to those expectations.
Those aren't dorks. That's Mashuka and Mashaka.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wait.
Calm ourselves.
Calm. It's the superheroes! Mashaka and Mashaka! Oh my god! Is that? Wait. Be cool. Oh my god. Too late.
Hey, do you know those people? Which ones? The ones in the orange charging after us?
No, not really.
What? Looks like they're gonna, like, come and tackle us. Wait, spandex? That's so not super.
Oh my god! It's you!
It's us. Yes,
See,
I am.
you're my biggest fan. See, Team Mashaka.
I love you so much.
Oh my god,
Thank you.
I'm Shaniqua. I'm Shaniqua. That's my fraternal twin,
Shaniqua.
Shaniqua. We're fraternal twins, just like you guys. Oh my gosh, we still have to get a picture with you.
Alright.
Perfect, thanks.
Yes, I love it.
Yeah.
Alright. So are you guys, like, going out on, like, a super mission?
Not really.
We're just going to get coffee, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Where at? We could go too.
Moonbucks, but we're kind of meeting with someone who's like kind of a decision maker. So maybe another time.
Yeah, you should totally call us.
Get on some of like the yellow book pages or something.
Yeah, definitely call us. All right, we will see you later.
Alright,
Bye.
Let's get out of here before they come back.
Go.
What is this place?
These crazy Americans and their crazy music.
Vivi, it drives me crazy.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Have you guys ever heard of the town superheroes?
no.
Mashuka and Mashaka?
No.
What's wrong with you?
No, see, we are the villains and they are the hero. No.
Are
What's wrong with you?
Do you have
We
issues
squish
or
them.
something?
We squish them to the ground. Pee.
You monsters!
Be gone. Be gone. Shoot. Flick.
Gladly.
What's
What's wrong with them? Where are they from?
These American superheroes.
They make me sick. Pee. Mashuka.
And Meshoka.
Ah, she looks like a boosty blonde ditzy. Ah,
Boosty? What?
busty, same thing. Shut up, stop being an idiot.
Just look at their cape. It's all wrong.
And look at their outside undies. Wow.
And their boots go to their knees. It's just.
Oui. They are despicable.
Hey, no.
Oh, but we are the French and the Fry.
What are we going to do with those American superheroes?
I don't know.
Getting
Wait.
in our way.
I got it.
Got it?
Could steal the brunettes helix phantoms.
Yes! We!
Yes. Oh, wait. Never mind. We have to touch them. And I bet she doesn't shampoo and condition. Twice. Wait, I got another plan. We could steal something of theirs. The brunette's cape.
The cape, right?
Yeah, the cape. Okay. How are we going to do it?
I got it! We could could hypnotize those two those fans. What's it called?
Oh, that was better than my plan. I was saying we were supposed to disguise as couches, and when she lays on us, we rip the cape from her neck.
Good things you have two heads better than one. So anyway.
We leave at the stroke of midnight. So, I've been meaning to ask you something.
What is it?
Your chest has been getting bigger. Why?
I've been noticing that too, but nothing else is getting bigger. I don't get it.
That's very weird.
Please excuse me, I must go this last. Please excuse me.
It's okay. Take your time. Just has a fun to play with. Oh no, I'm very bad news! What? What is it? I think I may be a girl! What? A girl, yes! I don't... yes, a girl! Ah! Did that hurt? Yes, very much so! Oh, you are a girl! Oh no, wait! What do you have facial hair? Wait, lick your tongue! Lick your tongue! It's smeared! I was just trying to fit in, okay? Don't! I didn't know! I'm sorry! Pull yourself together! You have a mission! Now wipe that crap off your face and let's go.
Shanaiko, can you please go home?
Well, stop your whining. They're gonna come.
We've been out here for hours. Don't you think they would have come by now?
They are our heroes, Mashuka and Mashaka. They're going to come. Get over it.
We're about to fall asleep right here in these chairs.
Shut up! They're gonna come. Get over it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, be quiet.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
How are you? Good, and you?
Very good.
Very good indeed. May we help you with something?
What's going on? Nico, what's going on? What are they doing to us?
Get the cape. Maybe two times you cry. Get the cape.
Stop! Stop! I'll give you the money. Just leave me alone.
Get the cape.
Shaka, wake up. Shaka, wake up. Your cape. It's not there.
What'd you do with it?
Nothing. You said it right there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Didn't fall. Well, where could it... French and Fry. They had something to do with this. I knew they were trouble. Come on.
Guess I'm not gonna be able to fly for a while.
Hey! Alright, what did you...
Who's here? Looks like someone wants some French and fry with their milkshake. Ho 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 ho.
Alright, listen, you freaks. What did you do with her cape?
What?
Okay,
That's
what
not
you're
cute.
talking about.
Listen, I know you have something to do with the loss of her cape, so you better tell us where it is or who has it, or else someone's gonna be sorry.
And I'm gonna pluck out every single one of those chest hairs that you got. Well, that you think you got. Chesters. Ladies, I am so sorry, but the cape is not in my possession at this moment.
Well, of course it's not in your possession. That wouldn't be a smart choice of a villain's. So, who has it?
Do you think we can give up this kind of information?
I'm tired of these games. You know what I have? Visions. Visions of things that happen, crimes, and my vision showed me that you guys were the culprit of this whole thing going on.
We? Oh, what? No.
And of course, you're well aware that without her cape, she can't have any of her superpowers.
But we got her over here with heat vision. So if you don't give up my cape back, you're gonna deal with her.
Oh, you have heat vision.
Yes, I do.
Can you go heat me up some tea, you stupid American?
Look! I never lose. Especially to freaks like you.
I have to think you.
Where is the cape?
It is in the hands of one of the people you know. You know that.
I know many people. We know lots of people.
Well, you're
So who's this particular person
You're
or
that
people?
popular.
So,
Two annoying people.
like,
Oh my god.
Clingy.
the fans.
They're annoying, you know, they got like,
All right, now shut up.
they got like this,
Let's go.
it's like, yeah.
Hey!
So I see you got my cape.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Would you like to give it back to us?
It's kind of ours now, and we kind of like it because you guys are like our heroes.
It belongs to us, though, and we can't be heroes without it.
She's right. Will you promise that we can like see each other again?
How about this? If you don't act so clingy, I mean, it's nice that you're excited. We're excited too, but we're just regular people, and I'd hope you would treat us that way. And then maybe if you were a bit calmer, maybe we can hang out.
That'd be really cool.
That would be cool. Deal?
Yeah, that'd be
Deal.
awesome.
All right.
Thank you.
You're
Thanks.
welcome. Thanks
You're
too.
welcome. So, can we not let this incident happen again?
No.
All right, cool. Thanks. And those supervillains, don't ever let them come near you, anywhere near you. They're
Yes.
mentally insane, psychotic. I mean, believe me, you don't want to be
If they're
associated with them. All right. Well, I guess we may talk to you guys later.
All right.
Bye.
See ya.